Right guys, so this is how you do the recess area on any van. So a lot of people, they think that the recess area, the bit that goes in, you warm it up and you push it in. But what you're doing is you're stretching the film in. So as time goes by, what happens is it starts to pull back out, bubble, or it starts to crack. So the aim to this is we want to get the recess in without the least amount of stretch there is. So what we do is we're going to get the stretch here. So what we'll do is we're going to warm that up and then we're going to put that in. So the stretch is here. So none of this is going to eventually pull back. So we're going to heat it. Warm it up. Warm that bit up slightly. Main area is this. Always use a glove. So look, we're going to push that in, but we're going to warm this bit up because we want that to stretch. I'm just going to get this line properly in. So yeah, look, we're warming up this area here. Gonna give that a little bit of heat, gonna warm that up, a little bit of heat, and then, right, let me just get that, look at that. So now we're gonna do that all the way across. So yeah, warm it up here, a little bit of heat there. We want to, before we do it, we want to get just this area in, just to get the shape of it. Because if we've got a bit of air here, we try to push it in, we've got a crease, so you want to try get it just until the recess starts. So we're going to warm that up. Same again here. And we always want to push to the area where we've got air that it can release. So here, for example, we've got that line there. So the air is going to go out into that. If we started here, started there, we're going to get to here, the air is trapped. so that's done. We've got it all in. So yeah, as you can see, we've got it all in. Now the only thing is we have now, so now we've got air in the panel itself in the middle. So I'm going to show you how the technique to squeegee that out. So the way you're going to squeegee is, remember we've pressed it here. So what we want to do is we want to send the air there. Done. Done. So that's all the air taken out. Now, if you try and start here, go that way, go that way, go that way, you've got air being trapped here. So we're going to do the same again on this side. Okay, so as you can see, the air here is not releasing. Then we've got a big bubble because this area is closed off. So I'll show you how we're going to do that. I'll just finish this off first. Because remember, we're going to cut that. That's why I said we need to squeegee this way, because we know the air is going to come out there. Whereas if we had that here or here, you're fucked. We've got the same problem here again. Right, so if we try and press that crease, same again, crease. So we're just gonna cut it so we could get the air released. Just gonna lift that a little bit. Just gonna lift this a little bit. And now you will see we can get rid of the bubble. If you tried to force it, you would have just creased. Done. Same with this one. So this one's a bit further in, so we're gonna have to lift it a bit more. There, we've got a place now for the air to escape. It's very crucial you do it in the directions I told you. The last thing you want is for the bubbles to appear in these sort of areas, because you've got nowhere to take it out. And then you're just going to be scratching your head, thinking, why did I start this job? Okay, so that's done. Main thing, you need to post heat that so the memory disappears, so it doesn't stretch back. And I'm going to show you guys some pictures of what happens if you don't. You'll see them, they're going to come up on screen now. You can start getting bubbles, you can start getting cracks, and yeah, the customer's going to come back and you're going to have to do it again and again and again. I learned the hard way. If the panel you're doing doesn't have like a door line so the air can come out, you need to have an area where you can release the air. So what you do is you can use a straw, or what I usually do is I'll have something like this. It's like a pipe, you know, and then what you do is you just place it here or on one of the sides. So then when you're pressing it, you've got a channel. The channel can release the air. That's all. That's if you don't have an area where you can push the air out. You can use something like this, or you can use a straw even.